Infinitely. Yeah, so as I say, upful rising to the ones them. You know, this is Karbon. We give thanks for the occasion and the platform on Kool 97 FM Live Tuesday. You know what I mean? Yeah, we're different Africa to the fullest, you know. As far as you don't know, there's a place in Africa known as Congo, where you have so much natural resources, like, for example, the cobalt, which is in everybody's cell phone devices. So I do a song called Hesitate, because Africa never hesitate to load up the globe plate with resources and, you know. Yeah, but when you check Congo, Congo is under Holocaust and genocide. The people from Congo aren't getting their fair share. So this song known as Hesitate is just to let the world know what is happening about how Africa share and thing and not getting them fair share. Big up everybody who tune in on the live. at Kool 97 and at Karbon, the hard one, you don't know. As me say, big up Yaadcore, my general, big up. DJ Winter Diamond, stand to the pipe, Ken Cut. Whoa, yeah. Whoa, yeah. Hey, Coco Jams, big up yourself. One Karbon, the hard one, never hesitate. I go. Africa no hesitate. When she alone, everybody play. Tell them to free water way. Loosen the chain around Zion. Africa no hesitate. For Lord, everybody play. Tell them to free water way. Kool 97, tell them something now. The farmer came and the farmer saw. Now everybody running to the pharmacies. Who did the farmer saw when the farmer came? I got to give them the clarity. It was him or them coming out of Keymix. First fear of build the pyramid when me counter step. With the blackness we jet. Sight mystery Babylon a fret. Hold on. The black child from out the blue Nile. Scattered everywhere on the western side. Them want with diaspora. Never want to repatriate to Mama Africa. Them have to face them demise, them have to capsize. Want to lead the people in a pattern not right. Come and tell me about Antichrist. Kool 97 FM, you live still as the Africa no hesitate. When she alone, everybody play. Tell them to free water way. Loosen the chain around Zion. Africa no hesitate. For Lord, everybody play. Tell them to free water way. You think of that? You know civilization start? By the banks of the Nile, them learn to civilize. No mystery Babylon, them have to conquer I. Me mentality firm like Lalibela Heights. Look to the east, you have to prophesize. Me ancestors paid the price, sacrifice. Oh, me fit there just so wanna move like me no wise. Chant down Rome like that we are rich spice. Shoot the poor corners to the thunder in a me voice. Them have to face them demise, them have to capsize. Want to lead the people in a pattern not right. Come and tell me about Antichrist. A Kool 97 with the vibes. Africa no hesitate. When she alone, everybody play. Tell them to free water way. Free water way. Africa no hesitate. Free Lord, everybody play. Tell them to free water way. Free water way. You don't know big up Empress like Yashika. Mama see. Thanks for the opportunity. Mama saw. Yeah, Empress Dianne. You don't know the thing that come like Hayan. Brother Michael. Yeah man, 12-yard records. Stand to the fight, catch cut. All of the ones that we tune in globally. Locally. Give thanks to the presence and the time. So yeah, we are going to the second one, you know. Hold it there. I don't know if we get the track a little introduction. You see it? Yeah, because that one named Top Baller, you know. And when you look upon his Imperial Majesty, he's the richest king. You know, he has been crowned 3 times. So as Rasta youth, I don't know, we have to chat up that way there. Run it. Philosophy is material and spirituality. Drop the rhythm there, my brother. Rasta fi have things, but things not fi have Rasta. All Jamaica Kool 97, watch you know? Here me no miss me find the top corner. What you think them call me the top baller? She fan a jibble and a me goal me go far. Hey Diamond, tell them no? Button gate, big dark tall fence. Top baller when a coach can bench. Me see Selassie I cruising on Benz. Stepping on the place, Karbon I represent. Hey, button gate, big dark tall fence. Top baller when a coach can venture. Me see Selassie I cruising on. I Kool 97 rise up in the morning. Rasta fi have things not fi have Rasta. Anything me want man have to work hard for. Rise in the morning, chant a chapter. Wah! Send a prayer to the king of Papa. Karbon never miss me find the top corner. What you think them call me the top baller? Come, Reparation to the motherland. Repatriation fi go Ghana. Stand up to the test with the people a request. When you see me on the front, I work a manifest. Karbon no work fi Baphomet, Bradley, Ken Cat, standpipe copper set. Dirty Babylon no want me touching on the jet. When me sit down and I meds deeply and I reflect. Help a lot of ones but we still never regret. No, without job we never step. Button gate, big dark all fence. Top baller when a coach can't bench. Me see Selassie I cruising on Benz. Stepping on the place, Karbon I represent. Button gate, big dark all fence. Top baller when a coach can't bench. Whenever band comes in a go spoon and a big up stand to the pipe. I can cut. Whenever band comes in a go spoon. See the bubble them a move with the broom. Self-reliance rise amongst the giants. Them can't take with the cartoon. Well educated and we never go school. Wow. Street smart, yes, that are the rule. Common sense, I bust down them fence. Who 97 them can't ridicule. Stand up to the test with the people I request. When you see me on the front, I work a manifest. Karbon no work for Baphomet. No work for Baphomet. Dirty Babylon no one we touching on the jet. When me sit down and I meds deeply and I reflect. Help a lot of ones but we still never regret. Without you we never step. Yashika, Button gate, big dark tall fence. Karbon none of them can bench. Me see Selassie I cruising on Benz. Stepping at the place Yaadcore represent. Hey, Button gate, big dark tall fence. Diamond none of them can bench. Stand to the pipe can cut. You don't know. What me say? Rasta fi have things, things not fi have Rasta. Anything me want man have to work hard for. Rise in the morning. Kool 97 in the morning time. Big up all the people them a tune in. You know the coffee get me spooning. Now, one Karbon I tell them. Stand up to the test with the people I request. That is it. Imperial Majesty. Philosophy. You don't know the thing go. Give thanks, love and light in all aspect. Yes, sight. Button gate, big dark all fence. Top baller when a coach can bench. Me see Selassie I cruising on Benz. Stepping on the place, Karbon I represent. Hey, Button gate, big dark all fence. Top baller when a coach can bench. Me see Selassie I cruising on. Never losing up. Up full.
Coolest, Kool 97 FM. Yes, your Sheikah boss now, man. Her name is song. Okay, so this morning we're going to welcome into Kool 97 FM Karbon. He's joined us in studio. We're going to just get a few minutes in with him before we go straight to our commercial break, and then he's going to go back out and present one more tune. All right, so what have we got for Karbon this morning? Welcome to the nation's coolest, Kool 97 FM. And I need to find out, firstly, the songs that you sang for us a while ago, did you pen all of them? Did you write them all?
I did wrote them out, but some of them are just flow. You know what I mean? I create them from without touching papers. You know, sometimes just listen to the rhythm.
How much of it you did on the spot out there?
In the song that I just sang, Top Ball, I did majority of it in the ending. Majority of the spontaneous flow was in the ending part with Kool 97 and such, you know. But the front part was already set and thing.
Okay, nice.
Yeah, man, give thanks.
No, you have talent, man. You really have talent. In your latest release, you're making connections between Africa and the diaspora. We heard that. What are you hoping to bring to light in this song?
Hesitate now. As I said, there is some situation taking place in Congo.
Yes.
But as you know, Peter Tosh said, it doesn't matter where you come from as long as you're a black man, you're African. So we, you know, in the West as Africans, we see some things going on in Congo, but it's not showing in the media per se, in the mainstream. So we took it as responsibility. Since we have a platform, we'll bring it to the highest of the world to see that there's some Holocaust taking place in Congo. Not just Congo, but the continent mainly overall, where there is the mother of resources. So I'm just trying to show the world that Africa gives, but she doesn't receive her fair share. So It's just that I'm bringing across within the track Hesitate, you know.
It was a really good conscious song that you did. Yeah.
Give thanks.
Yeah,
Sister
really
Dianne.
good.
Yeah, man.
All right.
reference.
So these messages are important. Who produced them for you?
Okay, the Hesitation track there is produced by Coco Jams out of Texas. You know what I mean? Big up Coco Jams music. You know what I mean? But the last one that I just sang, Top Baller, was produced by Bobo Rems. Bobo Rems from out of Brooklyn said we don't know. Record this one at 12 Yard Records. Majority of it was wrote at 12 Yard Records. So big up Yaadcore said we.
12 Yard Records.
12 Yard Records is Yaadcore's label.
Oh, okay. All right. Now, we're going to be speaking with Yaadcore a little later. So your music is just part of the work that you do. Talk to us about the other aspects of the work business that you do.
Mainly, you know, people would consider I as a vegetarian chef or a ital chef.
Really?
You know, otherwise for music, yeah, when I cook and like I take pictures of it and put it up, people like be requesting it hard and such. And you know, I'm just all rounder, you know, I be at home and I just do anything that is to be done, but mainly my focus is the music and the catering vibes.
Really? Okay, you know what? We're going to give you a chance. Drop a number that people can get to you to do catering.
Yeah, man, 439-8821. You don't know Jamaica area code already after the in front of that. So you don't know one Karbon on the Instagram, Karbon the hard one on our social media platforms. Yeah, and Karbon with a K, Karbon.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay, now, what role does the family play in your work?
Well, I would say your family is just the purest inspiration just to rise in the morning, because I just got my son recently. Big up Shango. Big up ELO, the concurrent. You don't know, she's my queen said way. So they are that inspiration just to rise in the morning and know that you have to go just to make them feel alright and thing. You know, it gives you more inspiration to write music, to create like opportunities for yourself. So, you know, you can get more rising and more up on that peak that you desire to be. So yeah, family is a great inspiration musically, spiritually, physically.
Indeed. You know what? We're going to take a little break right now. We do have the commercials that we have to pull, and then we're going to be coming back. We're not done with our line of questioning of you. Our guest this morning, Karbon. All right, so shop tiles, bathroom fixtures, faucets, lighting, windows and doors, plus so much more at Home and Things. Get everything you need to renovate your space. Home and Things, Old Hope Road and Constant Spring Road. The time by Home and Things Limited. Brands you know, brands you can trust. It is 7:30 on the... Before we went to the break, we were speaking with Karbon, our first guest to sing on Live Tuesday for this week. Thank you all for joining us. You see, somebody said Rastafari, give thanks, nice song.
Yeah, respect devices.
Oh, indeed. Thank you ever so much.
Asante.
Now, okay, so you revealed to us that for you, family is everything. Pretty much, you just welcomed your son and you bigged up your queen. But tell us, I recognize that artists tend to walk with a lot of people with them. And inside of your management team, do you have family members with you?
Yeah, man, big up. As I say, Yaadcore family said we, you know. I want to big up Fifth Element, big up Substance. You don't know, big up Rasvani, big up Shock. So Fifth Element, you don't know Richie Spice. You know, so the family is a broad family musically. You know, otherwise from domestical family said we. So I do have support all over, but yeah, as you said, the agenda to roll with a lot of warriors or a lot of people around me when I'm in the street, is that really a thing I found like intriguing? I feel like sometimes rolling with a lot of people, you might not be on the same level with everyone, so someone might attract certain things that you don't really
negative
with, you know what I mean? So sometimes rolling solo, I feel like it's a peace of mind said way. But yeah, once the energy connect and balance, yeah man, we roll together, man. And we've been doing that, you know what I mean? We've been in the streets all over, as myself, Fifth Element, 12 Yard Records, so it's a joy to be amongst the ones them.
When did you get into music?
When you say get into
professionally,
music, yeah, get into music professionally, like recording and releasing tracks, I would say like late 2017 going 2018 when I link up with Yaadcore. You know what I mean? Because I was just doing it by myself, going to studios and but I didn't got like professionally release anything on airwaves until I link up with Yaadcore.
Oh. Yeah. Well, you do have talent, no lie.
Respect.
All right, is there an album or an EP in the works right now?
Currently working on an EP. You know what I mean? I've already started out the tracks, the track list and such. I'm just awaiting one of the distributors to bring forth some codes so that everything can go in the right order. So yes, the EP is right around the corner. It was to be released already, but you don't know. The most I work within perfect timing, so we just align ourselves with that timing.
Okay, good. All right, so that's Karbon. Final question, Karbon, which school you went to?
Yeah. First and foremost, we can just big up one school. Never start from the ground coming up. Big up Broadleaf within Porous, Manchester. You don't know. Yeah, after that, we big up New Providence Primary within Stand to the Pipe.
Heck.
And then with us, Papine High School.
Yes.
You know, big up Miss Peart from the Lions Club, said we. Yeah, man, one family. Yes, Queen Dianne.
All right, blessings. Okay, so you're going to go perform your final track for us this morning on Kool 97 FM. Karbon, you're a name that we're going to be looking out for. And we wish you the very best as you continue to trod the road with the conscious lyrics. We like what we hear. And remember, Kool 97 FM will play your music. Any artist out there who has decent music, we will play it. So, to you and all your supporters, all the very best from Kool, all right? So, Yashika's going to take you back out. Yeah, yes. Yashika, the one who named boss in your song. Yeah.
Asante, asante. Asante mean thank you in Swahili. Asante sana. Mean thank you very much. So, yes, Yashika, big up yourself, Empress.
See, again. Don't worry, I heard my name in the song too, and so too you, Mikey. Here we go. So we're going to finish our segment with Karbon, and then we're going to come back with another artist inside of this week's edition of Live Tuesday. Remember now, our sponsors, we have Alkavida Alkaline Drinking Water. Improve your health. Bottled by Health Creation Industries in White Marl, St. Catherine. Telephone 876-649-0386. Watch our live stream this morning right now on Kool 97 FM via our website, KOOL97fm.com, and click on the Kool TV tile. Once again, welcome to the Kool 97 FM stage, Karbon.
Ding, 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 ding. I respond to myself. Substance. Whoa, 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 whoa. It's just a journey, don't give up, you know. Just stay faithful and courageous. In the ghetto, in a one room. Put them empty and we can't find food. Still a step in on me one shoes. Rasta youth never get confused. Take on the road, it's just another day. No, blessing up for come away. Still about the faith, man, up to reach a gate. Me ancestors are lead the way. And not just how long time is the been. Take a while for me learn me lessons. Can you give me more than I can bear? See that now and I reap the blessing. Hard work, long time and I stress, yes. Night come and me no get no rest. Still a touch the road without fear. Long time we out there. Inna the hills, man, I plant crop. When me touch on the flat, me no want strap. No, them can't class we as no criminal. Don't sight up the beast, them in a we visual. Oh yes, them cynical, but I am the original. One carbon, accurate and clinical. Fully analog, spiritually digital. Then me wash me locks in a the mineral. And I just how long time we step in. Take a while for me learn me lessons. Try to give me more than I can bear. See that now and I reap the blessing. Hard work, long time we are stress, yes. Night come and we no get no rest. Still a touching body without fear. We out there. Rise in the morning, first thing we have to gonna split. Daily most I read the Psalms and I reminisce. How to make poverty eradicate. All the faith can we have to reach again. Take on the road, it's just another day. No, blessing up for come away. No, you don't know the thing, but we give thanks to the opportunity on the platform. Yes, I. And not just how long time is stepping. Take a while from my learn me lessons. Try to give me more than I can bear. Read the blessing. Hard work, long time, we are stress, yes. Night come and we no get no rest. Still a touch you ready down fair. We out there. Long time is stepping. Long time is stepping. One carbon, the hard one, universal broadband. Yes, I, yes, I. Long time we stepping. Where we are back from Broadleaf to Kencat. Stand to the fight. Big up all at once, them. But I and I meet on the journey, you know? And that's more life and prosperity as we go forward. Bless up the whole Jamaica, bless up international who tune in. Kool 97, you don't know, Live Tuesday. Big up yourself, Diamond, Yaadcore, you don't know. Bang the bell! Yeah, Pablo more about Italy, the one you produced by. We come from the garrison, but we are still king. We never left the kingly character. What thing go? King in a me town, never step without a crown. Even when them want to take a throne. Stand firm on the ground. Rock them up and never water down. Don't mix me name in a bangarang. Don't spread no propaganda upon the young lion. Roots, culture me never stray from. Still a pretty beast beneath me rape on. Bobo Shanti, Naya Bingi. Could that help tribe or even orthodoxy? From you have the locks, you have a responsibility. Have to stand in the path of humility. Never straight from the liberty. Still I hail the power of the Trinity. Frontline man stand with a banner in a hand. Height screen and gold man a wave. Kingly character, king I never actor. As me rise up, so me chant a chapter. Teachings of His Majesty, the people let my ask for. A Kool 97 smooth flow. A good man is never honored in his own. Kingstown, Pablo Muerlo. King in a me toe, no step without a crown. Even when them want me take control. Stand firm. Think of all the people that we are jogging in the morning here. Here we go on. Rise in the morning to the hills, ayayad. Have to make it out of the barrel full of crowd. Jah lose the seals and the problem solve. We get the blessing, but we never gonna brag. Another womb that you're from, so that your days may be long. Empress talk, some me chant a chapter. Teachings of His Majesty, the people them a ask for. I Kool 97, you're king in a town. You never step without the crowd. Even when them want to take your throne. Stand firm on the ground. House of Dread, profile now your bingy grounds. You don't know, big up all of the Rastafari family, big up every individual, locally, internationally. Karbon the hard one, as me say, subscribe to Karbon the hard one. One Karbon on the Instagram platform, you don't know. Yeah man, big up 12 yard record set speed. I'm out.
This segment of Live Tuesday is brought to you by ATC Freight and Shipping. They'll pick up, pack, and ship your boxes, barrels, crates, and containers from most major cities in Canada. Ship from Canada with ATC Freight and Shipping, proud agents of IKL Logistics. Call 876-630-1515 and you can WhatsApp 802-45730. Okie dokie. Yeah, he did mention House of Dread. Yeah, they listen to us on Kool 97. So to all of you, good morning. Yes, my peeps down at House of Dread. I know a couple of them. All right, so what we're going to do right now, we're going to get into another interview. Now we have with us Aurra Soul, and she is our second artist who will be performing this morning. And we want to say hi to you. Again, this segment of the show is brought to you by ATC Freight and Shipping. Let them coordinate your shipment from major cities in China. Book and ship containers, heavy machinery, generators, kids' toys, and clothing for weekly direct sailing and air freight services from China. Call ATC Freight and Shipping, 876-630-1515, WhatsApp 876-802-4573. And Alkavida Alkaline Drinking Water. Improve your water, improve your health. Bottled by Health Creation Industries, White Marl, St. Catherine. Telephone 876-649-0386. All right. Welcome to the nation's coolest Kool 97 FM. Aurra Soul, how are you?
I am doing great. Thank you so much for asking.
Yeah. So, what was it that got you into music? What was the attraction?
For me, music is all around. I started from I was a kid. I was born actually. My mom is a singer.
Really?
Yes. My brother also sings. So does my sisters. So I've been doing it from me idea money.
Are they a group?
No, we're not.
Really?
No, everybody is to themselves.
Wow. Okay, what a very musical family.
Yeah.
All right. So this pretty much has enveloped your entire life.
Yes.
How far do you see yourself going in music?
Oh gosh. I dream of seeing myself on some really huge tours. Europe, billboards, and
Have you done any tours? Even like, for example, part of the supporting musicians for perhaps a big artist, or have you attempted any tours on your own?
No, not as it. I recently started to take music into my own hands independently as an artist. So no tours as yet. Hopefully soon though.
Where would you like to touch down first?
I would like to touch down in Europe first. That's where majority of the reggae industry and music, live music too, is based. So definitely there first.
Oh. So you like performances rather than recording studios?
I like both.
Oh, you do? Okay.
But I prefer live music. I feel like you just get more soul out of it. Yeah.
Okay, let's go back to the script, okay? So when you sing, we know you sing, but do you write? And do you play any instruments?
I don't play any instruments. I would love to learn the guitar and the piano.
Oh, piano.
No, you don't like piano? But I do write all my songs. Yes.
Oh, you do? Okay.
Yes, I'm a writer.
Nice. So were you a poet first and foremost, and then just realized, this was a nice segue into songwriting?
No, poetry was never my thing.
Interesting, because they always say it's like poetry put to music. There's something there, don't worry. Okay, so now that you are in music, what would you say is your proudest achievement to date?
My proudest achievement to date in my music is me winning the Popeyes Music to Your Mouth song competition in 2022 last year.
Where was this?
Popeyes.
Oh, Popeyes.
Yes, here in Jamaica. They had, like how you have Rising Stars? Yeah, they had a Music to Your Mouth song competition where you have to enter with your original song, and you would get a video done by Ruption, which is RD Studios, and your song produced by Ziminik. And I was the winner, so that's
So you did all of that already?
Yes, that was last year.
Aye. Well, okay, good going. All right, so let's speed along. Name 3 songs currently in your head. You just can't get them out of your head. They're just there.
Second Chance by Leela, Lightning Mortimer, and Holding On Our Soul.
Very good. You really have them in your head. Okay, talk to us about your latest single, Holding On, and what are your hopes that people will take as messages from it?
Holding On was written in 2019 or 2020. I was going through a really rough patch, and I just decided to put my thoughts to pen and then put the pen to paper. And it has carried me along some really hard times. I hope that I hope that people can find peace from it, and I hope that persons are able to resonate with the song as well, because it does speak to encouraging oneself, seeing yourself where others thought you wouldn't be, and just, keep pushing and going forward. And I think that's the message that I really want to give out with the song. It's a
very good message, because you know how many people give up and they had no clue how close they were to actually achieving or attaining their goal.
That is so true.
Yeah.
That's so true.
When that day is revealed to them and they see, you're just a smidgen away from success, that's when we're going to find out people kicking themselves. All right. So you've chosen to do music.
Yes.
How steeped are you in the production side of things and marketing your music? You need to learn it. Listen, as one woman to another, I've had to interview many females, and they have spoken of the hard times it took for them to break into the industry, and sometimes what male counterparts would be requesting of them. It's a very guerrilla type industry.
It is.
And for you to get your fair share, you need to have knowledge. You need to go and study entertainment. You need to be familiar with financing. You need to know how to manipulate the board. You need to have a bit of PR experience. There are a lot of subject matter that you need to have crammed into you.
Yes.
In order to manage your career, because that's actually what you're doing. You're not going to put your entire life in the hands of somebody else. You need to manage your own career. So at the end of your performance days, you will see your rewards. All right? And at the same time, don't forget to pass it on and help another female up the ladder. All right?
I will, definitely.
So, what's in store for 2023, 2024?
2023, I have a single that's going to be released soon called Beautiful Disaster. Now,
Interesting
that song,
title.
Yes, that song is actually speaking of loving oneself, mental health. A lot of persons have insecurities, and they fight on the daily with depression. That song I wrote last year when I was really, really depressed, next to suicide. And I felt the need to put it out there so that others who are battling the same type of depression or even stress, anything that they're going through, to help them. That song will help to alleviate some of the thoughts that they're having. So that is going to be released, produced by Icon, the producer, and myself. And also the video will be done by Denny Visuals. Also have a collaboration coming up with Justice the Artist. His management is Brian Paul Welsh. That is Black Heroes management also. So I have been doing some work with them as well. That's in store for now. No EP yet. Just kind of trying to get some singles out for now. And I also do have another song that will be coming out this year called Aurra's Prayer, which I will be performing
this morning?
Yes, this morning. Okay. Produced by DGO Records.
All right. Now you see, you're going to be belting out some, because I know you have it within you to belt out some really good vocals. Now you see some people with some strong connections out there.
I see.
Very good. You're going to impress. At the end of Live Tuesday, you're going to be doing our collab. Okay, so that's it for me. We're going into our cool flight pack. I'm Dianne, and let's take to the sky. Let's see what's happening at our international airports, Norman Manley International and the Sangster International in Montego Bay. You're inside Live Tuesday on Kool 97 FM, your weekly live music show. And it's coming to you from the studios of Kool 97 FM with our guests this week, Karbon, Aurra, and Yaadcore. This segment of Live Tuesday is brought to you by our sponsors, ATL Freight and Shipping. Need merchandise for your business? Stock up in Panama, the go-to gateway for auto, home goods, all things school and office, and goodies for the kids. Pack and ship directly to Jamaica at low rates with customs clearance and delivery from ATC Freight and Shipping. Call 876-630-1515, and remember you can WhatsApp 876-802-4573. And we're going to be mentioning those numbers a little later in the show. So if you didn't catch them then, you can just keep listening and you'll be able to write them down next time around. All right, so Kool 97 FM with Live Tuesday. We also welcome for this segment of the show, Braham's Texaco. Striving for excellence always at 15 Harbour Street, Port Antonio, Portland. Call them 876-993-2706. And if you happen to be in Port Antonio, Portland, swing by Braham's Texaco, centrally located at 15 Harbour Street. PA system and audio support provided by Keymix Audio. The mix is key. Watch Live Tuesday by heading to our website, KOOL97fm.com, and clicking on Kool 97 TV. We welcome Aurra, and she's going to be performing for us right now.
Yeah. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Kool 97 FM. I'ma say Aurra up on the mic again. The very first time that I held your hand, yeah, I knew that we would be a perfect blend. Now waste no time, 'cause it is always spent. Your imperfections are perfect to me. You're one of the strongest I know. You've been through so much and yet still you grow. You inspire me to be a better person. Keep pushing, don't you give up. This pain won't last forever. And I will be with you through stormy weathers, 'cause I love you, and I want you to know, won't give up on you, 'cause I've been down this road, and I know it's hard to find someone who believes in you, but I love you, and I need you to know, yeah. You taught me things I didn't know about myself. You never left when I got frustrated, no. You put yourself second so that I was good. That's what I've rated. Always said better days ahead, and that kept me fighting, 'cause I love you, and I want you to know, won't give up on you, 'cause I've been down this road, and I know it's hard to find someone who believes in you, but I love you, yeah. Said you give me serenity, everything that I'll ever need, you give me serenity, everything I'll ever need, 'cause I love you, and I want you to know, won't give up on you, baby, 'cause 'cause I've been down this road. And I know it's hard to find someone who believes in you. But I love you, and I need you to know. Yeah, that one was called Inspiration, Our Soul. Kool 97, thank you so much for the opportunity. Let's go. This one is called Pure Love. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Listen, why do I keep wearing my heart on my sleeve? You took advantage, now my heart's left to bleed. At no time you ever considered my feelings. Gave you my all, you totally deceived me. And I ain't coming back, I'm done with all this crap. I wasted enough time on you, when all I wanted was just to show you. It's just pure love I wanted from you. Now it's all gone, and I know how it feels not having you in my arms. It's just pure love I wanted from you. Now it's all gone. Na 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 na. Whoa, oh, oh, oh. Sacrificed myself until I was no more. You act like everything was good and you were so unsure. Now you would do anything to have me back. Thought you were my G, we would always rap. But that was never your plan. You were just buying time and wasting mine. How can I ever forgive you when all I did was want to show you that it's just pure love I wanted from you. Now it's all gone, and I know how it feels not having you in my arms. Pure love I wanted from you. Now it's all gone. Said I loved you, you loved me. We were once happy. Yeah, Kool 97 FM. I said I loved you, you loved me. We were once happy. Oh baby, oh baby, yeah. It's just pure love I wanted from you. Now it's all gone, and I know how it feels not having you in my arms. I'ma say, ooh, 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 ooh. Pure love I wanted from you. Now it's all gone. Now it's all gone. Yeah. Got Brandon on guitar. Yeah. Good vibes, Kool 97. Let's go. Alright, this next track is called Aurra's Prayer. This is for the world. Alright, let's go. I just wanted to listen to the words. Everybody out there who is listening right now, who is tuning in, give thanks, blessed love. Boy, we got through some really, really rough times right now. And just want everybody to listen. Alright, let's go. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm a sound. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Whoa, whoa. Said if you cut me right now, you're not sin of blood. It hurt me while hearing the cries of the little ones. Mother not have nothing to give cause ain't no steady job. Yet politician them a ball, I said them have it rough. Jaja, if you're hearing me, look down on us. Time's hard, but I know you not give us more than we can bear. More while we're hungry, some I have to look it in the streets. A 50 or 100 just for wipe off our windshield. Almighty Father, each and every day that my tried protect me from the enemies that want to do me wrong. I did some bad things in my life. I pray for forgiveness day and night. No one have to take up back the gun. Can't take go a stationer from police I run. No. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Jaja, I know you're there. Please make a way for us. Whoa, 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 whoa. And even though it's rough, I will never give up. No, no, said Jaja, I know you're there. Please make a way for us. Oh, and even though it's rough, I will never give up. Never give up, never give up, no, never give up, never give up. I must never give up. Kool 97, they never give up, no, no. I must never give up, never give up. I must never give up, never give up. I must say, alright then. I know sometimes you want to kill yourself, but me, I beg you, just take those thoughts out of your head. All when the time seems rough, you feel like giving up. Just look up to the hills and know, say, Jaja, are your strength? Cause I know that He will always be there for me and He will care for me. And tell me that I will be okay, Jaja. I know you're there. Please make a way for us. Oh, yeah, yeah. And even though it's rough, I will never give up. No, 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 no. No, you're there. Please make a way for us. I'ma say, Jaja, please make a way. Say, Jaja, please make a way. No, you're there. Please make a way for us. Whoa, whoa, oh. Never give up, never give up. No, never give in, never give in. I must say never give up, never give up. Kool 97, they never give up. Aurra, so she not give up. Yeah, she cause she not give up. Uncle Mikey, Rory Kicks and Brandon on the guitar will never give up. Yeah, this last song is Holding On. This is my winning song. Let's go. Say anything in a life you ever work hard for. Eyes on the prize, not give up, oh no. See yourself on the TV and newspaper. Travel around the world for the blue paper. They never believe, but I still don't stop. Sleepless nights, we come out on top. Rest my mind at my friend for your night, one stop. So she don't have no food, but it still can cause. I said the pressure is on, but I keep going on. Even though the journey up, things not holding up, I still press on. said the pressure is on, but I keep holding on. The road it dark and night, Jaja, you are my light. I give thanks for life. Give me, I can freely be all that I can be, not depend on nobody for them to make me happy. No, freely be all that I can be, not depend on nobody. No, yeah. Freely be all that I can be, not depend on nobody for them to make me happy. Listen, I'm a say, mommy, daddy say you can't stay here. Cha. Worse with your bleach out here. You have to go to school, find a job out there. Not support your music, them just don't care. No, me have to make it out this time. Everybody have it good, kids fine. Just hold my own till my time come around. I said the pressure is on, but I keep going on. Even though the journey of things not holding on, I still press on. I said the pressure is on, but I keep holding on. The road it dark and night, Jaja, you are my light. I give thanks for life, I can freely be all that I can be, not depend on no. When I want Christ, sure. I'ma say I can freely be all that I can be, not depend on nobody. No, for make it in a life, you have to hold on. Have to hold on. I spend the price, have to hold on. Sure. Have to hold on. Kool 97, have to hold on. Have to hold on. I spend the price. I'ma say I spend the price. I'ma say I can freely be all that I can be, not depend on nobody for them to make me happy. No, freely be all that I can be, not depend on nobody for them to make me happy. No, give us something, Brenda. To make me happy, no. That is it. Aurra Soul, guys. You can follow me on Instagram at aurra.official.soul, and my TikTok is one Aurra Soul. Best of yourself, Yaadcore, Karbon, Yashika, Uncle Mikey, Kool 97, Brandon. Give thanks, yo. Thank you. I'm out.
So she performed for us, and we have to welcome to Kool 97 FM studio, Yaadcore. Well, the name alone is pretty cool, huh? Yeah. So greetings and welcome to Live Tuesday once again. Now, he's going to be performing for you. Yeah, all of you want to be in studio right now, don't you? Well, you're going to get a chance to hear, and you can view what's happening here at our nation's coolest, Kool 97, by simply going to our website, kool97fm.com, and you click on the Kool 97 TV tile. So this morning, let's throw some questions his way and find out exactly what he's been up to. So I hear you started out as a DJ. Or started out DJing.
Yes.
And selecting music. So how does that work now? And how does it inform the approach that you take now to being an actual vocalist?
Well, you know, being a DJ really helped me to kind of understand the right sound as an artist. You understand, being that I selected so many hit songs,
Oh, okay.
you know, and you know those what you call it now, melodies and frequencies and vibration, I feel are in my DNA. You understand? So I know what a good song should feel like as a DJ. You understand? Or that's what makes you a good DJ. You understand? And
So when you said that DJ, you used to like the
Select.
toasting. Oh, you used to select.
yeah, select. So you pull up the regularizer flyer.
Yes.
That was an event where, you know, we did a keep one at a time. Them too.
Oh, so it's no longer being done? Why?
Because of, you know, financial strain, you know.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we not really get the support as reggae music should be really getting, you know, from both the people and the government, you know. So we used to keep a thing called Dubwise, and that was really the inspiration why I decided to, you know, do regularizer again, because the city need a platform where, you know, straight roots are play all night and it's not, you know, just dancehall or that kind of vibes and things. So that was the inspiration behind the whole vibe there. But, you know, I kind of stay focused as well too, you know. So it's not even really say, you know, the financial constraint, but we had to stay focused on the whole artist vibration and, you know, tunnel vision, you know.
You know, I would say don't give up on this dream. I would say do it even once or twice per year. It will become an event that people will look forward to, rather than every week.
Right. So Yashika was asking me earlier if I still would do events, and I told her, yeah, you know, but can't be so consistent being that, you know, I try to focus on the whole artist vibe and everything.
But this could become a staple on the entertainment calendar. All right, so how long have you been on this new journey of being a vocalist?
Well, you want to know, say, since 2019, I released my first song. And, yeah, I've been DJing since high school, so.
Which high school?
Bel Air High, Monroe High. I got Decatur College, too.
Monroe, boy. Heck.
Yeah, for 3 years, I go Monroe, and then I go Bel Air, as I say, I play football for Decatur, so I did do a term.
That's not fair.
Do a term at Decatur, so big up DC, same way. But yeah, man, we're there on a mission, and it's not even a planting with this whole artist thing. It's just, you know, timing and, you know, just inspiration. You know, I feel like Jamaica need more conscious artists, you know, and I feel like I was, you know, blessed with the whole vibration and the message for deliver to the people, you know.
We spoke with you, last year? And just after the interview, you jetted out. So you're one of those who literally living out of a suitcase now.
Yes.
What was that all about? And did you reap rewards from whatever expedition you went on?
Well, I don't even remember what exactly was that, because I don't remember the time we last spoke. But anytime we fly out and go to work is always a blessing, you know, for go deliver the message to people out of, you know, out of sea and thing. And yeah, it's a good vibe. We just followed off a tour in France to a 1 month tour. I opened for a brother called Patrice. So that was also a good vibes, you know. We're up on a promotion thing right now. We just try to get the music to the people, because now is a time where the people need the message more than ever, you know.
You know, I heard you warming up outside, and that's in the outer room where the artists perform. And I was thinking, man alive. So I can imagine if we get excited here at Kool 97 FM just to hear you warm up. Can you imagine what the stadia are like overseas when they hear you hit the stage with that local energy and that vibe?
Yeah, man, it's a vibe.
You pack like how many people in a stadium?
In a stadium, I just released my first song in 2019. But what kind of stadium you talking about?
No, even if you're performing for no, but if
Come on, man.
No, but if you're performing,
Come on, man. Yaadcore is a young artist,
yeah,
upcoming artist. So we could never even think about packing a stadium at this stage of my,
Okay.
you know,
Okay.
artistry. You understand? We're thinking about realistic vibration. So when Yaadcore pull up, you get like 500 to 1,000 people.
Oh, okay.
You understand?
But you're good. You really are good.
Yeah, we just, as me say, we're on a promotion right now, and we just want the people get in tune to the music, more people, you understand? So when we pull up somewhere, you know, the stadium can be packed.
Okay.
How much we be able to a stadium?
Yeah. No, seriously.
Remember say Buju full our stadium we're there, and who else you see go in at the stadium and full it as one artist. That's the next thing too, you know. A lot of artists are being booked for festivals and things, but they can't really go do a show by themselves.
Yeah.
The numbers will be totally different, you know. So we just put in the work and I do ja works, you know.
Okay, hold on 1 second for me. Visit ATC Freight and Shipping Limited at 101 First Street, Newport West, Kingston for all your shipping needs. Competitive rates, warehousing and customs clearance, hassle-free. The time by ATC Freight and Shipping, the reliable and competent service professionals, it is 8:30. brought to you by ATC Freight and Shipping. They'll pick up, pack, and ship your boxes, barrels, crates, and containers from most major cities in Canada. Ship from Canada with ATC Freight and Shipping, proud agents of IKL Logistics. Call 876-630-1515, WhatsApp 802-4573. And need to let you know that we continue on Live Tuesday with Braham's Texaco, serving Jamaica and striving for excellence always at 15 Harbour Street, Port Antonio, Portland. Their number is 876-993-2706. We continue, and we're welcoming now to this final segment the Ashanti Oasis Vegetarian Catering, the official caterer of Live Tuesdays. Ask about their vegan veggie balls at all major supermarkets island-wide. Call 876-458-9859. Remember to watch this morning's show live via our website, KOOL97fm.com, and just click on the Kool TV tile. We finish our chat with Yaadcore before he performs. Yaadcore still with us. So your album Reggae Land was released last year. What kind of reception has that project been getting on the big stages and on the charts?
It's been getting great reception. We debuted with number 6 on the iTunes charts last year. And it's been getting good love, as me say, I just forward off for the tour in France, and Reggae Land, the title track is one of the the well-received track, as well as Ready Now, which was my first ever single release in 2019. And I just released a brand new EP as well called Treasonable. It was released on 4/20. Not sure if you're familiar with that day. That's International Marijuana Day.
Oh, okay.
So, that title Treasonable is really for, make the people know, say, herb being legal or illegal, I should say, is the real treason to humanity, understand? So, I kind of flip the word, play with it, and call it treasonable. And, we celebrate and advocate for marijuana, because even though herb free in Jamaica and California and some place, them just hang a man the other day in Singapore for £2 of herb. You get what I say? So we not just think about ourselves, we think about the whole world and the people of the whole world,
Yes. All right. So if we were to confiscate, say, your headset or jump into your vehicle, who would we hear? Who are the artists you tend to listen to?
Super Cat, Mikey Dread. Super Cat, Mikey Dread, Wailing Souls, Richie Spice. You don't know, we listen to Karbon same way. And
Okay.
Just a few artists, we try zone into our own brain more time, so we not get contaminated with other vibrations creatively,
Okay. Any new music on the horizon for us?
Yeah, actually I released a Mother's Day song, so you can look out for that. Yeah, Mother's Day. Big up all the mothers them. It's every day is Mother's Day, but we livicate and we celebrate on the 13th and me or the 16th.
Okay.
So that song I written 3 years ago, same way. And we just decide for, give it to the world,
Okay. All right. So we look forward to hearing that one. Thanks for being our guest on Kool 97 FM for Live Tuesday. And you're going to close out the show.
Yes. Give thanks for the accommodation.
You're welcome. You want to introduce the songs you're going to be performing?
Well, we'll introduce them when I sing,
Okay, good.
Yeah.
All right. So now you can join Mikey and the crew on the outside. Thanks much. So our guest this morning, Yaadcore. And remember, the segment is sponsored by the Ashanti Oasis Vegetarian Catering, the official caterer of Live Tuesdays. Ask about their vegan veggie balls at all major supermarkets island-wide. Call 876-458-9859. Remember to watch this morning's show live on our website, KOOL97fm.com, and just click the Kool TV tile. All right, so coming up, our final performer of the morning, Yaadcore. ATC Freight and Shipping Limited. Let them coordinate your shipment from major cities in China. Book and ship containers, heavy machinery, generators, kids' toys, and clothing. For weekly direct sailing and air freight services from China, call ATC Freight and Shipping 876-630-1515 and WhatsApp 876-802-4573.
Now the man say greetings in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty, Emperor Haile I King Selassie I the First. Jah Rastafari, we say rise and shine. This is Kool FM. Yeah, you know it go. Live Tuesdays. And we're there for preserve Jamaican roots and Jamaican culture. You see it? Bless it. Can't say them never know. I no bread, but you know we think hard like the ghetto youths no stranded. But when me check a stock and listen all the reasoning, me see a clock arrange them. Then me go sight up on the news how much hickle and catch they in a sailing. Watch them a step with the AK-47 bright in a. Hey, you know me, I send a message to all of them beryllium robber there. Cause what? This is the land where me love, land where me born, land where my ancestors plant can. Chucking feel from dusk till dawn when Marcus Garvey a storm like Sean. I saw bus when him ring the alarm. Bob Marley shot the sheriff so him can't see my down. No make no politician take on no fake clown a good. Hey, I hear me get to use no bother stranded. But when me check a stock and listen all the reasoning, me see a clock arrange them. Then me go sight up on the news how much hickle and catch they in a sailing. Watch them a step with the AK-47 bright in a Maypen. Lord, remember say united we stand up, right? United we stand up. Like when Nanny and Sam Sharp them did a plan up. Balance everything like Marty my plan. I wouldn't take my brother life for $1. When me see the liquor drop a sentence pon the white collar, wouldn't be a killer, rather be a truckload of money for me daddy and my mother. Yes, I so we feel and love we wanna say get to you no mother stranded. But when me check a stock, listen all the reasoning, me see a clock and raise them. Then me go sight up on the news how much hickle and catch they in a sailing. Watch them a step with the AK-47 bright in a. I send a message to all of them beryllium youth there. Kawa, loud the innocent, loud the gang war. From school days and your brother did a par. Now a little flare up one, mar up and tar. Big cheddar send, drive by in a car. Say you a go catch me and me family a par. One away I coulda day a funeral or bar. Hear me no star, hear me no star. Take me off of your radar. And nobody's stranded. This is Kool 97 FM. And you know we are sing Rasta music and deaf them. Can't say them never know. Big up all who tune in. Radio World likewise a live stream. Flash it. Oh. Make it run, man. Okay.
Plumbing are available at all leading hardware stores island-wide. Call 876-758-5583. The time by Atlantic Hardware and Plumbing, it is 8:45 a.m.
Original style, original pattern, you know the thing go. Rise and shine for the first spliff in the morning, right? Big up the farmer them, kawa. Plant a acre in Jamaica, smoke the best in my raw brown paper. Shake the shaker, And then me play the one you feed the ganja haters. Split for light, split. So do not fight it. This I'm a panadol, this I'm a NyQuil. Say Babylon them shoulda never walk. Lock up anyone for just a little jar. So light it. Do not fight it. This I'm a panadol, this I'm a night. So you know me sing that one with the General Richie Spice, right? Talk to them, Richie.
Roll my spliff and then I got to roll another one. This my chalice burn the fire upon the Vatican. Can't believe they call the marijuana contraband. They'll never overstand. But always tell them it's the healing of the nation. Keep a yard and sweet and meditation. As the preacher teacher, so me roll another one.
Yes, split for light, split. So do not fight it. This I'm a panadol, this I'm a NyQuil. Say Babylon them shoulda never walk. Lock up anyone for just a little jar. So light it. Do not fight it. This I'm a panadol, this I'm a NyQuil. Say Babylon them shoulda never walk. Lock up anyone for just a me not like pill, but the marijuana that me call me NyQuil. Eyes them a bleed, but me got my sight still. Them couldn't trick me with no bag of likings. Me no frightened, I dump them. Yes, I know that them got them agenda, but me still have my roots. From January, right? Spliff for light, spliff. So do not fight it. This is my panadol. We say marijuana is a medication. You know, see the healing of the nation. So how we go? Split for light, split. Do not fight it. Yeah, man, we say rest in power to the youth in Singapore. You know, see it. Cause them say the government is to protect and serve. But we see them a turn against the people. So what would I say to them? Turn down the rhythm. Them say that them love me. Say that them love. But I don't feel. Me can't believe how them treat me so. Turn it up. Just don't reel and them say that them love me. Say that them love. My eyes can't see. Say everything them read me so. It just don't reel. The oneness. What about the gladness? We used to laugh and burn out the madness, no sadness. Never they around. Now me a call and me can't get your phone. You know me not normally. Everything dealt with formally. The link firm like mahogany. But them now move right now. Them say that them love me. Say that them love. But I don't feel. Me can't believe how them treat me so. It just don't real. And them say that them love me. Say that them. Yeah, more time, you know, people say them love you, but you just can't feel it. Cause we say love is an action word, right? So how we go? Back in at the past when me looking at the future. Nobody could have tell when would have move, so now it's like them want prove who cooler. But me set it straight for the ruler. Me not stay behind, me not go in front. By your side when it's time to. Me know me couldn't trust you. From you know love is an action word. Them say that them love me. Say that them love. But I don't feel. Me can't believe how them treat me so. It just don't real. And them say that them love me. Say that them. My eyes can see. Yeah man, so you know it go. Say that you love me. Love is the action word. Check that one out on the YouTube. Cause you know the video them there. Rhythm. Alright. So this is for the people now. Where them not really love themselves. Come more time, when I have to worry about the love we're outside of forward in from. Pull it up from the top again. You know, see, this is all about self-love. Rhythm. From top, me say, woi, woi. Pull it up, Mr. DJ. Don't play with the thing. Keep it cool. And don't take me for fool. Flash it. Uh-oh. Hear me no damage. How them a go manage? This is what me say. Beside them a bleach them skin. Enough for we a ball for melanin. Me have to stay real to myself when me looking at the mirror, see me genuine. Ah, now watch the hype, be a genuine. Straight like a arrow, me no feminine. Me coulda never buff in a Benjamin. I agree that me medicine. Say members say love ever lovely. Members say love never love see. Marrow Panther in a bar, man apart from small and a war over. Sell out them friend for the luxury. Tell them I never see her come see. Remember the days when we hungry. I'm a chatty from country. You say you wouldn't do it. Say you wouldn't do it. Put on the bleaching cream. Now you say you wouldn't do it. Now everybody see it. Face look pale and you a walk straight. Oh gee. Say you wouldn't do it. Now you say you wouldn't do it. And you say you wouldn't do it. When me looking at the streets, this is what me see. Beside them I bleach them skin. Now for we a ball for melanin. Happy stay real to myself when me looking at the mirror, see me genuine. Whoa, now watch the hype, the adrenaline. Straight like a arrow, me no feminine. Coulda never buff in a Benjamin. I agree that me. Side them I bleach them skin. Now for we a ball for melanin. Have to stay real to myself when me looking at the mirror, see me genuine. Ah, now watch the hype, the adrenaline. Straight like a arrow, me no feminine. Me coulda never buff in a Benjamin. So how we go? Members say love ever lovely. Members say love never love see. Marrow Panther in a bar, man apart from small and a war over. Sell out them friend for the. Tell them I never see and come see. Remember the days when we hungry. I'm a naturally from country. You say you wouldn't do it. Lord, inside the first release from Yaadcore. This Am's be the remix. So how we go? Miss I'm ready now. Everything baby know. From a band man a real rebel yo. Set the trend me coulda never ever second no. No Lord God me say me ready now. 5 + 7 no. 12 tribes are damn now. Alongside my brother Pressure Bus Pipe.
Yeah, you know Yaadcore. Hey, ready fi go burn the fire as the night start, bitch. Like the Janet and cloudy place before I pass it. Not no change about the rats, we still a fight crosses. Not no soften on my circle, why me no like chocolate. Yaadcore go make the link and then the light start bridge. Pressure give them everything and plus the side cartridge. Praise Selassie, every day I dust the life falling.
Now forward into my brother Wayne.
Real rebel burn, nastiness, delete the evil and confusion. Troublemaker, kill a girl, broke a little youth-an. All type of flesh, some a python, chupan. Me no Keymix, still me we kick them like Lucan. Put a bad like Waka Flocka, Arpa with a lot of shatter. The party with matter proper. Life skills
Level
in
me.
no lock and a promote no filthy
Level me.
actor who no
From you
dead,
know
but
say
just
you're ready
scatter.
for the morning now. I hear a song this Kawa. We're ready now. Everything baby know. From a band man a real rebel yo. Set the trend me coulda never ever second no. No Lord God me say me ready now. 5 + 7 no. 12 tribes are damn me now let it go. So you know we live and direct inside the Kool FM studios. Guess what? So pepper anytime me pass through. Yaadcore I sing and them wish I never true. Now every DJ have my hey, selector, ya deal with me a waste time. Flash it. I Yaadcore with the highest set of grade in my pocket. So that one ya comes to be a remake. How we go?
Police in helicopter.
Level me.
Search for marijuana.
True story. Watch out the chopper them a chop. Spy on with fields and them want take with crops. Tell your France dance them never like cops. Wolf in a sheep clothing so them never like locks. Never like when the Rasta man attack facts. So we see the far eye and we no need contacts. Tell the queen them feel illegal tax. And America yes them feel leave all blacks.
Police in helicopter.
Hey John 9.
A search for marijuana. Policeman in the streets. Searching for Cali weed. Soldiers in the field.
How you go?
Searching for Cali weed. But if you continue to burn up the herbs, we're gonna burn down the cane fields. Yes, if you continue to burn up the herbs, we're gonna burn down the cane fields.
Oh. I want the eye them know. Without the ganja farmer, we don't have no herb to smoke. Remember that? Me nah stop on the fire upon the system. Where you turn the marijuana farmer in a victim. Straight from me heart, so me talk and me sing when me advocate for the cannabis business. Me no lip sync.
No.
Tell me what you think when you sip it in the drink. Are you blazing on the pink? Blazing on the purple make your eye them pink. But I couldn't blink.
Police in helicopter. A search for marijuana.
Man say,
Policeman in the street.
yeah man, rest in power.
Searching for Cali
Legendary
weed.
John Holt, you know.
Soldiers in the field.
What them a do?
Burning the Cali weed. But if you continue to burn up the herbs,
We gonna burn down the key.
yes, if you continue to burn up the herb, we gonna burn down the cane field.
Arms to be
Police in helicopter.
marijuana advocacy.
Marijuana.
What them a do?
Policeman in the street.
Huh.
Searching for Cali weed.
Search them a search.
Policeman in the field. Burning the Cali weed. But if you continue to burn up the herbs, we gonna burn down the cane fields. Yes, if you continue to burn up the herbs, we gonna burn down the cane fields.
Yeah man, so we say guidance and protection in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty, Emperor I King Selassie I the First. Jah Rastafari.